Hello everyone, so this is your girl Violet, and today I just want to take you through female condom demonstration, as in how you're supposed to use this female condom. We say what men can do, women can do better. So men can use a condom, so as well we can put on a condom better than them. We can also tell them, babe, today relax, me don't have a condom, right? So this is a female condom courtesy of Family Health Company. I have demonstration tools here. This looks at least presentable from the Family Health options, and we have this one. Doesn't look so good, right? Okay, so today I'm not going to use this one, so today I'll use this one. Okay, so we start. Before you use a female condom, first check on the expiry date. If I check on my condom, expiry date is on July 2022, so it is still intact, it is still in form, iko tu sawa kutumika, sawa. Secondly, spread the lubricant. Ndani huwa kuna lubricant, so spread the lubricant, confirm kwanza kama iko, then you spread it out. You spread it out, then from there you squeeze it down, right? You squeeze it down, because we have here, you don't just cut from anywhere. I hope you can see here clearly. It has an arrow showing how you're supposed to tear. So you tear it from here, and it is very simple to tear. When you tear, you get your condom out. This condom has 2 rings. This is the female condom. It has 2 rings. This is the outer ring, and also we have the inner ring, which can be removed and it can be returned. So when instance you're using the female condom and you feel that maybe the inner ring is not working well for you, you can as well just remove it and do it without. Okay, now this is the female condom. It's okay, it is in shape, not so big, right? It is small. Okay, fine. Now we want to insert it. We have 4 ways on how we can insert the female condoms. One, you can do it while squatting. You squat, like for instance, I squat like this. You squat, that is one way. Then after you squat, you'll find that it will be easy to insert, right? Okay, you have the second method. You will do kifo cha mende, right? When you do kifo cha mende, it will be again easy for you to insert. Another way, you can decide to raise one of your leg up high. When you do this, it will be also easy for you to insert. And the last option, you go sit at the edge of your bed. When you sit at the edge of your bed with your legs apart, again, you can easily insert it. Now, before you insert the female condom, make sure that the inner ring, you squeeze. You squeeze. Don't twist. You squeeze to form a number 8. After you squeeze to form a number 8, then now assuming this is my pussy, mine, not yours. I'm just assuming because this is not my pussy again. Assuming this is my pussy, I'll insert the female condom. Once you insert, you use the middle finger, this one. Use the middle finger and push. You push the farthest it can go. Assuming now this is my pussy, I will have to push till the farthest it can go. As after I push, the condom will just take the shape of my pussy in there. Then at the top, at the lips, you make sure it is like this. You cover the lips properly. Well, you've covered the lips properly, you see, you can use it immediately, or you can take like 30 to 1 hour. You can put the female condom in advance, or as well you can wait until babe is ready, then you insert together. You can as well tell babe to insert it to you. It is not bad, it is romantic, right? So ask me, why do I love female condom? I love female condom because for once, female condom is not latex. We know that. It is not like the male condom. Like you see, even if you smell it, it is not like the male condom. When you have sex, everybody will know that you've had sex. It is not smelly. It is so nice. You can lick. When it is there, your babe can lick the pussy when it's there. It is not harmful. It is sweet, and it is romantic. Another thing, when you insert the female condom after sex, it is not a must you remove it immediately like the male condom. that you have to remove it while the dick is still erected. You can insert the female condom, have sex, cuddle, do whatever you want to do after you've done sex. You can even take 1 more hour after you've done sex. Then you do what? Then you remove the female condom. Now you have finished doing sex with your babe. Now you want to remove it. At the tip, squeeze it like this. You squeeze again. Then you squeeze it again. Once you squeeze it, then you can pull it out. Just pull it out and it will come out. Now here will be the sperms. And remember, this outer fluid is yours. The female. This is mine. Babe's fluid is in here. So don't use a condom, then tell babe maybe he has bruises or cuts, then you tell him to hold here. If you have a disease that maybe can infect him, he will be infected. So utakuwa umefanya zero work kutumia hiyo condom. Utakuwa umetumia condom, yes, but hii fluid imepitia kwa cut kwa mikono yake, imemuingia. So you do it. Me, I prefer ladies, unashika juu fluid huwa iko hapa ni yako. Sema place the male condom. Ile fluid huwa iko hapo nje ni yako. You can just touch it. You do this. If you have a pit latrine, you'll go deposit in a pit latrine. Kama huna pit latrine, utaifunga kwa tissue vizuri. Tumaliza kufunga kwa tissue, weke kwa dustbin, upeleke mahali utachoma. Make sure unachoma watoto wasipulize vibofu. Sawa sawa. Make sure unachoma watoto wasipulize vibofu. Another thing I love about this female condom, unaona hii female condom ukishaiva ikiingia huko ina stick. Unaona the way ina stick? Ina stick poa sana. Alafu mafuta yake ni sweet, unaweza jipaka. It is not smelly like the male condoms, You see? It is romantic, it is sweet. Me I love female condoms. Na me I wish you guys pia try female condoms. Try them out, Today I was just teaching you how to use the female condom. Tomorrow I'll teach you about male condom. Sawa. Okay, that has been your girl Vayo. If you have any question, kindly ask. I'm here to answer your questions about female condom. This is female condom brand 2. We had brand 1, it had issues, but now we have brand 2, which is more, yani imetengenezwa poa kuliko ile brand 1. Zile makosa zilikuwa kwa brand 1 zilirekebishwa. Brand 1 silikuwa ya white color. Now this is purple, girlish, kitu kaa hiyo. Sawa. See you next.